Welcome to all of you in Sankalp Education Pratham classes. I am Sachin Patel delivered lecture series on the derivative or differentiation. Right now we are going with the composite functions and you have to find the derivatives of find dy by dx of, we have to take the consideration of y is equal to log 3 log to the base 5x. Here first of all we have to think about the what is the base of that one. Here different bases are there. We have to take the consideration of log 5 log to the base 5x is here. Right now we know that the equation of, or we have to take the consideration of log to the base ab. It is written as log b divided by log a. By using this formula you have to find the first of all we have to put the consideration of this one is nothing but y is equal to log to the base 3 inside the bracket log x divided by log 5 is here. Log x divided by log 5 is here because this base is considered here, and therefore log b divided by log a is nothing but a log x divided by log 5. We know that when we taking the log of any division, at that time the separate the logs and you will get the consideration like that one. If log a divided by b is here, then you will get the consideration of log a minus log b, and by using this rule you will get the consideration of y is equal to log to the base 3 inside the bracket log x minus log to the base 3 inside the bracket log 5 inside the bracket log 5. Right now you will get the considerations of these equation, and once again here is the base, and by using this log to the base ab is equal to log b divided by log a, and therefore you will get the consideration of log of log x and whole divided by log 3 is here. Similarly minus log of log 5 divided by 3 is here. Log 3 is here, and by using the differentiation rule, and you will get the consideration of this one function and this another function. That means you will get the y is equal to u minus v, and derivative of y with respect to x dy by dx is nothing but you have to take the separate derivatives and taking the subtraction of these two derivatives, and therefore you will take the derivative, separate derivative of this one and separate derivative of this one. First of all we have to take the consideration of dy by dx is equal to d dx of inside the bracket log x divided by log 3 minus d dx of log 5 divided by log 3 is here. Right now we are going with the consideration of division rule. We know that the division rule, inside the division rule first of all we have to take the consideration of denominator as it is, that means log 3 as it is, into d dx of numerator, that means log x, minus numerator as it is log x into d dx of denominator, that means log 3, and whole divided by denominator square, log 3 square is here, and then taking the minus of derivative of this one by using same procedure, denominator as it is, and taking the derivative of numerator log 5 minus numerator as it is, that means log 5 into d dx of log 3 and divided by log 3 square. Log 3 square is here. And right now we are going with the consideration of derivative of this log 3. Derivative of this log 3 is 0. Once again I am written that step, and you will get the consideration of that. Now we have to get the consideration of dy by dx is equal to log 3 ddx of log x minus log x into ddx of log 3 divided by log 3 square minus log 3 into ddx of log 5 minus log 5 into ddx of log 3 and whole divided by log 3 square. Right now we have to get the consideration of this log 3 as it is into derivative of this one. Now once again we have to cover this by using your finger. And what is the derivative of log? Log is having derivative 1 divided by whatever inside the bracket is here, and therefore 1 divided by log x into you have to complete the derivative of log, and therefore what is the derivative of log x is nothing but 1 divided by x minus log x put as it is into log 3. It is a constant one, and therefore derivative of constant is nothing but a 0 is here, and therefore you have to put the 0 and log 3 square in the denominator minus once again log 3 put as it is, and log of log 5, it is once again our constant, and derivative of constant is nothing but a 0 minus once again log 5 into derivative of log 3. What is the derivative of log 3 is once again it is a constant, and therefore derivative of log 3 is 0, and there divided by log 3 square is here. And inside the next step you have to get the consideration of log 3 divided by x into log x minus we have to put the swap the consideration of log x, and x is here, x into log x minus 0 whole divided by log 3 is here, whole divided by log 3 square minus 0 into this is 0 minus 0 divided by log 3 square. And right now we have to get the consideration of log 3 minus 0 is as it is, and log 3 divided by x into log x, and divided by this one is nothing but a log 3 square, and minus this 0 is considered here. And once again you will get the log 3 is cancelled to log 3's, and therefore you will get the 1 divided by x into log 3, and this is the derivative related to that function. Now we have to going with another derivative. We find the dy by dx is here. Find the dy by dx is here, and you have to function is y is equal to 4 raised to log to the base 2 sin x plus 9 raised to log to the base 3 cos x. Inside this equation, first of all we have to know the consideration of this 4 is nothing but 2 square, and therefore first of all we have to take the consideration of y is equal to 2 square raised to log 2 into sin x plus 9 is nothing but 3 square into log to the base 3 into cos x is here. And right now we know that the consideration of a raised to m raised to n, it is equal to a raised to m into n. This is the rule of third, and by using this rule you have to find the consideration of y is equal to 2 raised to 2 into log to the base 2 inside the sin x, plus similarly you will get the 3 raised to 2 into log to the base 3 into cos x is here. log to the base 2 into cos x is here. Once again I am repeating that one. 4 is nothing but a 2 square, and by using this 2 raised to 2 and by using m raised to n, a raised to m raised to n, here to get the multiplication of these two, m is nothing but a 2 and n is nothing but a log to the base 2 into sin x, and therefore m into n is nothing but a 2 into log to the base 2 into sin x plus 3 raised to 2 into log to the base 3 into cos x. By using once again m into n, that means 2 into this, 2 into log to the base 3 into cos x. Right now we have to get the consideration of these. Again we will have another formula related to that one. One formula is put here, and second formula is a raised to log to the base into f of x. At that time answer is f of x is here. By using this formula you will get the consideration of this. This consideration is 2 raised to, first of all we have to transfer these two inside the once again you have to get the consideration like that one, 2 into log to the base 2 into sin square x. How it is possible? And once again 3 into log to the base 3 raised to log to the base 3 into cos square x. How it is possible? Because we know that m into log n is equal to log n raised to m, and therefore this 2 is multiply to that log, and therefore it is putting inside the square of that sin x. Similarly this 2 is multiplied to that log, and therefore it is putting it inside the square of that cos x, and therefore you will get the log to the base 2 sin square x and log to the base 3 cos square x is here. Right now by using this formula you will get the consideration of a is nothing but a 2 log a, f of x is nothing but a sin square x, and therefore y is equal to sin square x plus 3 is here, that means a is a 3 log as it is, a is here, a is nothing but a 3, and f of x is nothing but a cos square x, and therefore you will get the cos square x. Sin square x plus cos square x is nothing but a 1, and therefore y is equal to 1. That means it is a constant, and y is the function of x, therefore you will get the dy by dx is equal to d dx of 1 is here, and derivative of 1 is nothing but a 0, and this is your answer related to that function. Thank you. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the next notification related to that one. Thank you.